Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening File Explorer and going straight to your Pictures folder. This puts you where most favorites live. If you don't see what you expect, make sure hidden items are enabled and check Quick Access for pinned folders. Once done, sort by date modified to surface recent images and change View to Details or Large Icons so thumbnails load quickly. This speeds scanning. Make sure you have permissions for any external drives before continuing. Now focus on narrowing results. Use the Explorer search box with filters like kind, picture, date, this year or size, 1 MB to remove clutter. You can add tags and ratings in properties under details so Windows can find favorites later. That's helpful if you curate thousands. Once you pick an image, copy it to your favorites folder or create a shortcut there for quick access. Make sure to organize consistently so future searches return predictable results. Finish by syncing the favorites folder to OneDrive or copying it to an external drive. You'll thank yourself if a drive fails. Open the Windows Photos app and press the heart on images you want synced to that app's collection. This offers another quick view. If thumbnails or tags aren't appearing, run disk cleanup to clear the thumbnail cache and then restart Explorer. If permissions block access, right-click the folder, choose Properties, and adjust Security to grant your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.